Alright, so today, let's do battle between Sheep Cookie versus Wolf Cookie. Yep, the Sheep Cookie is Cotton Cookie, and the Wolf Cookie is Werewolf Cookie and Crunchy Chip Cookie. Round 1. Against Werewolf Cookie. Werewolf Cookie win. Next, with Treasure. And Werewolf Cookie is the winner. Round 2. Against Crunchy Chip Cookie. Crunchy Chip Cookie win. Next, with Treasure.
Here we come! Charge! Here we come! Charge! Here we come! Charge! Here we come! Charge!
Oof, no chance at all for Cotton Cookie. Not surprising at all. Because Wolf is much stronger than Sheep. Okay, so that's all. Thanks for watching.